Issue you wanted to address before we resume with the jury?
Your Honor, our request would be, at least initially, I think we want to, Mr. McGee wants to give an update on his condition, but
Sure.
he doesn't feel, I don't think it's appropriate for him to have to do it in open court. So if it's possible,
Sure.
we could do it in chambers with the report is fine. That would be our request.
Okay, that's fine.
Next part A, or?
So I'll do that first. I'll see. You want Mr. Merritt back for that?
It's not necessary. He'll waive his appearance for that.
Okay, that's agreeable with you, Mr. Merritt? Okay, I'll,
Next part A, or no?
It's up to the court.
it can be in camera. Okay, I'll see Mr. McGee and counsel in the chambers.
In camera report then.
All right, the record reflects we're back in session. In open court, the parties and counsel are present. Court had an opportunity to meet with defense counsel, Mr. McGee, discuss in a little bit more detail his medical situation. The witness scheduled for today is Dr. Rudin, and that was going to be Mr. McGee's witness. And Mr. Maloney indicated he attempted to get prepared to be able to take over the examination of Dr. Rudin, as he did yesterday with Mr. Stepman. We still have Mr. Stepman on the stand though, right?
You let him come back on Tuesday.
Oh, that's right, that's right. That's right, okay. So Mr. Maloney was not in a position to be able to take over and do Dr. Rudin today, and Mr. McGee is not in a position to be able to do that. So it doesn't appear that we're going to be able to proceed today. I think there are, counsel indicated there's a couple of witnesses that can probably be called Monday, possibly into Tuesday, that we're going to be Mr. Maloney's witnesses anyway that we can do. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And then when we finish that, come back on Wednesday, and we should have an update on Mr. McGee's condition and ability to go forward and see where we are at that point. And in the event Mr. McGee is not able to proceed, at least in trial, that would give Mr. Maloney a little bit more time to, if possible, to get geared up to handle the remaining witness.
Correct.
So that's kind of our game plan now. Okay?
So we have two other witnesses that were here at the request of defense that you did not mention. Detective Sergeant Hart and Sergeant Steers. Are we able to proceed with them today? They had also asked us to bring in Sergeant Bachman and Sergeant Hankey. We have put them on call based on conversations with Mr. Maloney at the end of the day yesterday for Monday, but we could attempt to get them in here this afternoon.
Okay. What?
Well, Sergeant Bachman is mainly the interview with Mr. Merritt. So, as we've indicated, we're fine with playing the whole interview. I think prosecution's indicated that's not their. I don't think that's their position. So, obviously, that will have to be litigated and dealt with, and it's based essentially. Not exclusively, but essentially on the fact that they played those, if the court remembers.
I understand.
There is a 356 motion pending.
Yes.
Or opposition pending that we have not litigated yet.
Right, no, I understand that. The defense indicated they wanted to play the entire interview based on the two portions that were played. The prosecution filed opposition to that. I indicated to, I think the defense was that, or I indicated that it should be limited to the subject matters of the portions that the people played. The defense indicated they would try to get some kind of a redaction as to what they were offering. They didn't do that, they said, no, we want to play the whole thing. So that's still pending, we need to discuss that. So maybe we can do that, once we finish with the other witnesses. What about the other two law enforcement officers?
Hart and Steers would be, those are Jim's witnesses. I can probably do them, I just don't know really fully what those issues are, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue.
So have them the Monday, Tuesday?
Or,
Hart is very easy. Hart is he reviewed
The house phone call
Goes
log,
yes,
house phone call log.
yes, that's very easy. Steers was in regards to the wiretap call. There was one where we were interested in playing that they didn't play, but they mentioned during their examination, Sergeant Steers, I don't know if it was on cross when we called him. I think that's what it was. We called him for the wiretap. Did you guys question him about that? You did question him about the wiretap that wasn't played, but the contents of it, so we wanted to.
There's two calls.
Yeah, we wanted to play
There's two.
one of those.
I'd have to look at the testimony of that.
Right.
Okay,
Well, do we have those exhibits and transcripts?
Mr. Mulaney mentioned somebody yesterday, Mr. Villanueva, is he here?
no, I canceled that witness. We had another witness, it was a short witness, but I canceled that one.
So you're
So,
not calling him at all?
no.
okay. So maybe you can let me know what, with Hart, what specifically you want to put on, and then indicate what testimony was elicited that you think makes that now admissible.
Steers.
Steers.
Hart is just, he reviewed the call.
Oh, Steers is the wiretap?
Yes.
So then if you can just indicate what the wiretap conversation is and why you think it is now admissible because somehow it was referred to, then I can review that and we can resolve that Monday, Tuesday as well.
Okay. If the court wants, if Hart and Steers, I see Sergeant Steers here, but if Hart's here, if you want, we can maybe give me 30 minutes or so and get up to speed on those two witnesses, just so I know what, I'm comfortable with that.
Whatever, if you want to do that,
Hart.
if you want to do that, that's fine. If you'd rather just wait and do everything Monday and Tuesday, that's fine as well.
Is Hart here?
Yes.
So, what would you? I think we're gonna have to wait on that, Your Honor. So,
Okay, so we'll just go try to get all of those other witnesses other than Dr. Rudin on Monday and Tuesday.
correct. And I think just based on what we have, I think we should be in a position to at least rest next week.
Well, I have to ask, I'm not sure when you were planning on calling the accountants.
That's Monday.
He will be here Monday?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm not gonna be here Thursday, my son's graduating from
Okay.
college, so that's my witness, I wanna make sure that.
He will, I can't imagine he'll go to Thursday, but I don't know, but he'll be here Monday. Monday morning that's the time he's allotted, so we're,
Okay,
no, I'm saying we made arrangements for his testimony Monday and whatever.
okay, so get me the information on Steers and then we should be able to resolve that, get the other witnesses done Monday, Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday, and then see where we are with Dr. Rubin.
And there still will be some preliminary matters with regard to Dr. Rubin.
Okay, we can address those.
I just want to let you know.
Yeah. Okay, I guess we can bring the jurors in and let them know what we're doing.
After you excuse the jurors, is the court inclined to litigate the 356 issue so we can at least get some clarity as to that before recessing for the day?
Yeah, I'm ready to do that. I don't know if the defense is.
He just said he's not.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not.
All right, so I guess we'll just go over to Monday, try to get all of that resolved. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay?
If another option for the 356 issue, well, scratch that, I'm not gonna throw my 2 cents in.
Okay. We are back in session. Parties and counsel are present. All members of our jury and our alternates are present. One of the attorneys has a medical issue that needs to be addressed, so we're not going to be able to be in session today. That's the bad news. Now, the good news is, in talking with the attorneys, they believe that the defense will finish their case and rest their case next week. The prosecution may have a little bit of rebuttal that might go into the beginning of the following week. So next week is the 29th. So I think the plan is that that first week in May, we would get the case to you to begin your deliberations in this phase of the trial, okay? I apologize for the delay, but unfortunately it couldn't be helped at this time. So we're going to recess until Monday morning. You have witnesses scheduled basically Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And so we should finish up with all of those witnesses next week. Again, keep in mind the admonitions not to form or express any opinions about the case, not to discuss the case or allow anyone to discuss the case with you or in your presence. And again, that means not discussing anything about the case, any of the witnesses' testimony, exhibits, parties, or attorneys. And we'll see everyone back Monday morning at 9:30.